Commodity is product. Common commodity. Now you put it together the remaining words.
Community in every home.
Home.
Are a common commodity
Or is common community in every home.
in every home. Wow, that was a little bit tough, isn't it? You need a lot of help. Super. You somewhere you have to copy down all these because you are doing great, and some other times that you are also learning. I can send you the Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet to you. I will send it across to you.
Okay,
You
sir.
yeah, you have to read it out to me, and the next one is try this. There are two these THE.
The window.
Not really.
The boy broke the window.
The boy is not really that. Still, the subject is not complete.
The naughty
The
boy
naughty
broke.
boy.
The naughty boy. The naughty boy. The naughty boy
Broke
Broke
the
the
window.
pan window.
broke the window pan. Window pan. Pan means panel. Window pan. You have to put window pan. And the truly hard one is coming. If you make a mistake, that's okay. So English is that structural thing only, the structure compared to Indian languages. Go with it.
We saw.
We saw.
We saw.
Excited.
Oh,
We saw full of a
not
yellow color.
really, not really. We saw. What did we see? Careful.
We
We
saw
saw
children.
a we saw a yellow
We saw a
Yellow colored bus.
yellow colored bus. Superb. Now you tell me. We saw a yellow colored bus.
Children excited.
We saw a yellow colored bus.
Of a
We saw a yellow colored bus. Look at that. What did you say?
excited of a children.
No, not really. We still have the words, other words. Full of. We saw a yellow colored bus full of excited children. See, that was hard. The passive voice I have to take today only, but this one is of passive voice. Let's see how you are going to figure this out. That will not come under the 12 that we covered so far. This one is structure number 16, but you can still do it.
A soldier.
Not really. It's a passive form, passive voice. I'll help you here. A battle.
A battle was
Was. Supporting a main verb.
soldiers by the fort.
No. A battle was.
Fought by the soldiers.
Yeah. See, this is the one we are going to look into today. 12 we looked into, we'll revise the 12. We will add 8 to that. And very, very important. The next one is also, I'm going to go with the passive. Let's hear it.
The room was cleaned by Sharda.
Very good. That's a passive voice.
The room
Was cleaned.
cleaned by Sharda.
Yeah. When you say that ed words, cleaned, you can say. You don't have to say cleaned. Cleaned. Cleaned.
Clean.
Cleaned. Easy one. I'll give the easy one now.
My brother
My
wants
brother
My brother. My brother
wants
wants
to be my
to
to
be
be astronaut.
an astronaut.
an astronaut.
Very nice. My brother wants to be an astronaut. We'll do one more, half a mark, then we'll touch upon the passive form. One more we will do. Careful with this. We have done similar one, but careful.
I was performance improved.
Careful. Not I was performance. I was is okay. See, the quiet is coming there.
Impressive performance.
Impressed is okay. I was quite impressed is okay.
His performance.
Can you repeat?
Impressed with the quiet performance.
And I was quite impressed with now.
With his performance.
Yes. You need to revise this. Take your audio cut and send it across to me. That way, you have to read only the correct ones. Please do not step on the grass. He taught me algebra and geometry twice a week. It is important to eat breakfast. Computers are a common commodity in every home. You have to read it out and you have to send it across to me. That way, it will have an imprint on your mind. Okay. Now, look at that, what we have done. Last two classes. This is the third class. You guys have to revise it properly because the active and active is 12, you have to be thorough. Then we will be adding 8 passive. And so if you remember, Look at this, what we have done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. I write a letter. Do you remember what we did number 2? Do you remember this? We kept on writing. You remember? Number 3.
I
have written.
I wa
I have written. The first 4 we wanted to concentrate. I have been writing. So you have to check your notes. This is what I told you, right? The first 4, then remaining 8 we can take it. I'm going to take it here. Look at this. I write a letter, I am writing a letter, I have written a letter, I have been writing a letter. Now, number 5, I wrote a letter. Do you remember this? Because it has been 5, 6 days. You might have forgotten. You should be really revising it and come here. I write a letter, I wrote a letter. I am writing a letter, I was writing a letter. Look at that. I have written a letter. So it has to become I had written a letter. That's only a small change. I have been writing a letter, I have been writing a
I
letter.
had been like
Yes. Now, same way, I write a letter, I will write a letter. I am writing a letter, I will be writing a letter. I have written a letter, easy. Just you have to add a will, that's all. I will have written a letter. I have been writing a letter, I will have
I
been,
will have been
I will have been writing a letter. Rather, you can also do this way. You go with the right. Then past becomes wrote. Future becomes will write. Right? Now I'm writing. That becomes was writing.